Hi everyone, Russell here. Today we're going to install the seatbelt override. So if you've noticed, you can't go over 13 miles an hour unless the seatbelt's plugged in. So this is going to eliminate that. So it's a waterproof connector and it's just plug and play. So here we are. I just removed the seat. Okay. And so here's the wire coming out of the seatbelt. Okay, it's going to go down into there. So right there, we're going to unplug that connector and then put that in its place. And that's going to remove the seatbelt light and regulator. All right, so there we have the wire unplugged that goes to the seatbelt light. And that's plugged in, so make sure that you push it all the way in, that you can't pull it back out, and that's going to eliminate it. So just to test it out, as you can see, driver's seat here is not plugged in. We'll go over, turn the key on, and the seatbelt light indicator is out. So for a few bucks, if that annoys you, you can fix it. Thanks for watching and consider subscribing. Thank you.